a couple coats on it. You can see some spots where it's kind of standing, sitting on there. So I know that those got saturated pretty well. Some spots, you see it's a little lighter colored. But that's all I'm going to do today. I'll go around the edges a little bit. Get the sides of these boards with the brush like I did at the beginning. But as far as roller goes, that should do it. So this is a couple weeks after I applied that Ready Seal onto here. And it's doing pretty good. It just rained this morning, and you know, this stuff it doesn't like bead up like you see with a lot of other sealers. It just keeps the water off. You know, it's like soaked into the wood, as you could see in that time lapse of me applying it. It really soaked it up. But yeah, I've been using it, you know, to move the zero turn to go mow and stuff like that, and it's been holding up pretty good. But since it soaks in, you don't have to worry about it peeling or anything like that. And I did 2 coats or so. Some spots it seemed like I did 3, maybe up towards the front here a little bit more, but I don't know. We'll let that go for this year and see how it goes. But the nice thing about this this Ready Seal is that you don't get any overlap marks like you do with a lot of oil-based sealers that have pigment in them, and it really didn't darken us too much. I mean, it's definitely darker than what it was, but yeah, it's pretty good stuff. So we'll just see how it goes in the future here. You don't have to, you know, like peel previous coating off or anything like that with the Ready Seal. Just basically have to get it clean. So that's another advantage to it. There's no temperature ranges you have to use when you're applying it. So if it's not, you know, over 50 or below 90 or something like that, with the sun shining the day I was doing that, it was pretty cool out, but the sun shining, it really soaked it up quick and got penetrated into this wood really well. So I did have some stuff where I get off here a little bit, and I've tried cleaning that up a little bit. It's kind of discolored my black, but it is a trailer. So if I was putting this on my house deck, I'd probably tape it off, anything that I didn't want it to get on. But yeah, and I don't know if that's just because it, you know, you can see that the water is like just not there. Where, like right here, just, you know, the water right next to it's still there, but it's not. So I don't know, it just makes the water go away. But yeah, it seems like a pretty decent product. Of course, I'm not endorsed by them or anything. I did a lot of research. I thought about doing used motor oil and diesel mix, but I decided to go this way because I didn't want it super dark. And yeah, pretty happy with this. Looks pretty good, in my opinion. So I want to thank you for stopping in and watching this video. Until next time, be safe, brothers and sisters.